to share my January empties, and what better way of starting this empty series than starting, with the first month of the year. Super excited to have 5 products, some in like makeup, hair, and also skincare. So if you guys are excited, don't forget to subscribe. I'm also going to leave the link to my Instagram down below. I have like more in-depth reviews of these products there if you guys want to read more about them. And with that being said, let's just get right into it. Also, I am still peeling from my chemical peel. Like, this whole area is done, and now the sides of my face are starting to flake. So if you guys see something, it's definitely that. But yeah, let's go in with a hair product. I only have one in that category, and it is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I love this thing. I already have a backup, and I'm even thinking about getting another backup just in case, because I go through these so fast whenever I do straighten my hair. So whenever I straighten my hair, because it's not that often, I like to extend the life of it, and I can go up to like day 7, even 8 if I'm really stretching it with this dry shampoo. I start using it around day 4 or 5, which is when my hair gets oily, and I like it because it doesn't feel heavy. Even like if I've been using it for 3 days, it doesn't make my hair feel like it has like a buildup of product, which I can appreciate. Also doesn't leave a white residue on the hair. It's just super light, effortless. I don't have to think about it when I'm just using this product. Some hairsprays, I find that I have to use it like continuously during the day to keep my hair oil free, but I just have to use this once per day once it starts getting oily. I do wash my hair after day 7 or 8 because it starts getting itchy, but that's because my hair is like literally dirty by then, not because of the product. So this one is a winner. I'm excited to have a backup. I also just love makeup products. They're bomb. Let's move on to the makeup category. This is a lip balm from Ulip, and it is their Lip Almighty in Ultimate, which is just their clear one. Comes in the same packaging as their lipstick, which is what I like. Also, this one is just super moisturizing. Wherever I went, I had to have this with me. If I was about to go to sleep, I would have to have it next to my desk. I would bring it with me if I went out to Target mostly, for the drive up, which you guys know I go to all the time, and I absolutely love it. They do have ones with a tint. Let me show you. This one is also in Lip Almighty, but this one is Nutty Milk, so it has a little bit of a tint, but it's not too much. I love this one for like easy going makeup days, but this one, as you can see, I'm literally scraping with my pinky nail. I love the way that this glides on the lips. It keeps them moisturized and looking super glossy at the same time. Skincare time. I have 3 products. I'm gonna go through them as I would do my skincare routine, and I'm gonna start off with a cleansing oil. This one is from Klairs. It is their Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil. This one I believe only has like 6 to 8 ingredients or 6 to 10 ingredients. I forgot. I'm not about to count them all, but it's super lightweight. It is gentle, like it says. It doesn't have any fragrance, so it's great for people that have sensitivity, and it also doesn't cloud my eyes, which is always a plus and something that I always look for in a cleansing oil. If you guys know me, you know that I am in love with the Celemax one because it is super lightweight. So when I tried this one, I thought that this was thick, even though this is probably how most cleansing oils do feel on the skin. Some of the oils that this one has is sunflower seed oil, it has grape seed oil, jojoba seed oil, and black currant seed oil, and then 2 other ones. This is amazing. It emulsifies like a dream. I have a little bit left, so I can probably try to squeeze it out if I take the cap off, but I would usually use 3 pumps of this on my makeup days and 2 of them when I did not have makeup. With that being said, I did feel like I was going through this pretty quickly. I do wish they made like jumbo sizes of cleansing oils. Like, they can keep this size but also make another one, because for me to have to be using 2 to 3 pumps every day, I did go through this pretty fast, and it's really good. I still do love my Celemax cleansing oil just a little bit more. I just really like that really thin texture, but this one is great if you want to give yourself a nice massage and really have that spa-like experience at the end of the day before going in with your second water-based cleanser. Okay, so a product that grew on me. I mean, this one also kind of grew on me in the beginning. I'm like, this is too thick. But this one also grew on me. This is the Uroi extra mild lotion. If you guys watched my morning skincare routine during Vlogmas, I use this every single morning. This one is a Japanese skincare brand, and the extra mild lotion does not include any denatured alcohol. I think one of the other ones do, and it also doesn't include any fragrance. I don't think any of the products include fragrance. So if you're sensitive to it or you prefer to not have that in your routine, then this is a brand to really check out. As I kept using this, I kept falling more in love with this product. It's not just your hydrating essence, for example. It also has other ingredients, so it packs a punch. It's super sensitive skin friendly. It has licorice root extract. It also has a vitamin C derivative and other ingredients that are amazing for hydrating the skin even further. I believe it has sodium PCA as well. So check out my review. I'll leave a link down below next to the link to this one so you guys can read about it. And I definitely recommend this one if you're looking for something that is hydrating but also has other beneficial ingredients. Sometimes I would go in with just this one, layer it 2 to 3 times, and then go in with my moisturizer or even just like a moisturizing sunscreen, and I would be good to go for the day. Last but not least, we have the Laneige Cica Sleeping Mask. This product is the one that was about to expire on me on January. I keep my expiration dates on the bottom. It kind of faded on this one, but I was struggling to use this one up because the tub is so big. As you can see, it's very deep, and I took a break from using this in the summer because I am more combination oily in the summer, and this was just a little bit too much even at nighttime. So I picked this one back up in October. I still had so much left. So in December, I told my mom, please help me finish this product, because if you don't help me, it's going to expire. It's going to be such a waste, and I hate wasting products. Honestly, I could probably use this on my body, but whatever. She liked it. She really enjoyed it. Most of the time, I use this as a moisturizer. I would just use a very thin layer, which is why it took such a long time for me to empty this. One thing I do have to say about it is that it doesn't soothe my skin the same way that other ingredients do. Even just a Cica serum would do a better job at soothing my skin compared to the mask. I also really like mugwort, like the mugwort line from I'm From, their sheet mask, their wash off mask, their moisturizer, their essence. They're all so good. In comparison to that, I just didn't see enough of the soothing effects from this one to want to repurchase, but it is super moisturizing. I definitely recommend for people that have normal to dry skin. Honestly, I could have benefited from that right now because I'm still peeling a little bit and my skin is so dry, but it's an empty. I enjoyed it while I used it, and maybe in the future if my skin changes and I need something super thick, then I will pick this up. And that is it for my January empties. Comment down below if you guys emptied any products this month, or last month. I would love to know. Let me know if you want me to keep going with this empty series. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video, which is probably my vlog or my skincare collection video. So subscribe and stay tuned for that. Bye. I should have probably had my hair down this whole time. It looks much better. Whatever. Packaging as your lipstick, which would... Yes, that was good. Continue this going. Continue this going. Continue going. What? Girl, it's early. It's early. Super moisturizing. I like to...